I know that actives in the cleanser like the vitamin C in the Face Theory Vitamin C Cream Cleanser are a little controversial, but there are ways to formulate that can make the active stick to the skin even if the product itself is rinsed off. So, while I would probably never rely on it for my antioxidant fix alone, I would consider adding it to my routine if the product itself did convince me. If you're new here, welcome! I'm Dr. Anne, a physician passionate about skincare and well-aging. The Face Theory Vitamin C Cream Cleanser doesn't have extravagant claims, just to effectively remove pore-blocking debris, to moisturize glycerin, and to be gentler on the skin than soap. When I first opened the pot, I really thought I had accidentally opened the cream. It looks like a moisturizer with a slight yellow hue. And it feels like one tube when you scoop some out and spread it on the skin. There are two versions available, an unscented one and the one that I have in the scent Mandarin, and let me tell you, the scent is absolutely beautiful. Not your average artificial citrus, no. This one smells like a fresh, juicy mandarin, but in a subtle way. The website advises you to first splash your skin with water and then apply the cleanser to damp skin, and this is really the best way to go about it. When your skin is damp, this one applies very smoothly, creamy, but when used on dry skin it is much harder to spread. Although it is not advertised to remove makeup, it had no problems with my non-waterproof eyeliner and mascara, and didn't sting the eyes, so it is a great option both morning and night and can be used as only cleanse as well. Like many hydrating cleansers, it rinses clean but leaves a hydrating feeling behind, meaning that those that don't like that will probably prefer using it with a washcloth. Now, it is called a vitamin C cleanser but uses a vitamin C derivative, sodium ascorbyl phosphate, instead of ascorbic acid. That makes it much less prone to oxidation, and I don't think it makes a huge difference in the cleanser anyway, but a derivative is not the same as vitamin C. Other than that, you will find sweet almond, avocado and apricot kernel oil, as well as different emulsifiers, so those oils get off your skin again together with all the dirt and makeup. The scented version also contains mandarin peel oil and from that limonene and linalool. This cleanser was actually a surprise favorite for me. I adore the texture and scent. It works way better than expected in removing my makeup, and my skin feels beautiful after using it. I highly recommend. If there's anything you would like to add, please do so in the comments below. I will link to more videos you might find interesting on the screen, and add links to my Instagram, blog and Patreon account in the description box. See you soon. Bye!